Are you stuck on a coding challenge? Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's dive in and solve the magical string problem together. The problem is to construct a magical string of length n. The magical string is a string S of digits consisting of a 1 followed by 1 or more occurrences of 2, and then 1 or more occurrences of 1. The solution is to initialize a magic string with the value 122, then use a while loop to repeatedly add characters to the string based on the current index. In each iteration of the while loop, it starts by determining the number of times to repeat the last character. It does this by taking the difference of the ASCII value of the current index and ASCII value of 0, which is 48, using the code int repeat equals magic string index minus 0. Then it calculates the next character to add to the string by using XOR operation with 3, using the code char next char equals magic string back, XOR 3. Finally, it adds the next character to the string by creating a string of repeat times of next character using the code magic string plus equals to string repeat next char, and increment the index by 1. At the end, it counts the number of ones in the final magic string by using the count method of string. Let's consider an example where n equals 6. Initialize the magic string with the value 122. String magic string equals 122. Initialize a variable to keep track of the current index. Int index equals 2. Start the while loop. While magic string dot size smaller than length. In the first iteration, the current index is 2, and the value at the current index is 2, which has an ASCII value of 50. So, the difference between the ASCII value of 2 and ASCII value of 0 is 2, which is the number of times we need to repeat the last character, in this case 2. Int repeat equals magic string index minus 0. The last character in the magic string is 2, so we use XOR operation with 3 to calculate the next character, which is 1. Char next char equals magic string back, XOR 3. We add the next character 1 to the magic string by creating a string of repeat times, 2, of next character 1. Magic string plus equals to string repeat next char. The magic string now becomes 12211, the index is increment by 1, and the while loop continues. In the second iteration, the current index is 3, and the value at the current index is 1, which has an ASCII value of 49. So, the difference between the ASCII value of 1 and ASCII value of 0 is 1, which is the number of times we need to repeat the last character, in this case 1. Int repeat equals magic string index minus 0. The last character in the magic string is 1, so we use XOR operation with 3 to calculate the next character, which is 2. Char next char equals magic string dot back, XOR 3. We add the next character 2 to the magic string by creating a string of repeat times, 1, of next character 2. Magic string plus equals string repeat next char. The magic string now becomes 1221112, the index is increment by 1, and the while loop continues. The while loop ends when the magic string length is equal to the input value n. At the end, we count the number of ones in the final magic string by using the count method of string. In this example, the final magic string is 1221112 and it has 4 occurrences of the character 1, so the function would return 4. It's important to note that this problem is a follow-up of another problem, and the initial value of the magic string is based on the first problem solution. The solution has a time complexity of big O(n) because the while loop runs n times and each iteration takes big O one time. The space complexity of the solution is big O(n) because it creates a string of size n. Thanks for following along. I appreciate your attention, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this.